This baby sea lion was a reluctant participant in a recent nasal swab test in Peru, where more than 700 sea lions have died of bird flu, as veterinarians and health experts worked to understand an alarming outbreak of the virus that has spread to mammals. Javier Jara is a veterinarian with Peru's National Forestry and Wildlife Service. In recent weeks, crews in protective plastic suits have collected and buried hundreds of sea lions from several beaches along Peru's central coast. According to government data, Peru recorded its first case of the virus in birds in November, and since then, 63,000 birds have died from the disease. The World